Hello everyone, I am Agrita Paliwal, student of BTech in Electronics and Communication from DAV Institute of Engineering and Technology, Jalandhar. And I am here to demonstrate a video on my project IoT based healthcare system under the guidance of Mr. Navleen Rekhi, Assistant Professor, and our HOD, Dr. Niru Malhotra. So, firstly, I'll start with the abstract of the project. As healthcare facilities in modern age are key challenges, especially in developing countries where remote areas face lack of high quality hospitals and medical experts. The existing architecture of stored and forward method of conventional telemedicine is facing some problems, some of which are the need for a local health center with dedicated staff, need for medical equipments to prepare patient reports, cost of local health centers, and need for Wi-Fi, etc. So, in this paper, we introduce a novel and intelligent healthcare system that is based on modern technologies like Internet of Things and machine learning. This system is intelligent enough to sense and process a patient's data through a medical decision support system, and also a low cost solution for the people of remote areas as they can use it to find out whether they are suffering from a serious health issue and cure it accordingly by contacting near hospitals. The result of the experiment also shows that the proposed system is efficient and intelligent enough to provide health facilities. Further, I'll introduce you to the system. As we all know, health related issues and complications are increasing day by day. Life is precious, even a single life is also valuable. But due to lack of health facilities, awareness about diseases, and proper access to healthcare system, people are dropping their lives. So this system helps in the indication of diseases and treatment of the patient. It also provides the facility to the hospital staff to monitor and communicate with the patient at remote place. Here is the basic methodology of the system. So, in this healthcare system, there exist wireless systems in which different applications and sensors are attached to the patient, through which information is obtained, and then this information is forwarded to a doctor or specialist through an expert system. Medical devices for Internet things are remotely accessed, where devices are connected to the internet, and sensors and other communication devices can monitor patients' health. And through these devices, the patient information and data are transmitted by the expert system via gateway onto a secured cloud based platform where the information is stored and can be analyzed further. The study proposes a system to track the patient records with the measure of pulse rate, blood pressure, and body temperature and maintain the patient history. If the system detects any abnormal behavior in the measure observed, it immediately alerts the emergency team to handle the situation. For this, we also conducted a survey, and here are the results of the survey we conducted, which will give you a broader view of method used and future opportunity of growth. So, I would discuss few of the survey questions here, and one of them is: would you be comfortable with getting an IoT healthcare device somewhere in the future? And as you can see, 67% people are totally comfortable and agree to the need of the system, and 26% people are partially convinced with the system, and few of them already own one. And the next is: would you ever place yourself in a state of total reliance for your medical prognosis from your IoT healthcare devices? And here also, as we can see, 53% of people are ready to give their full trust to it, and 32% people are confused and would like to double check it, and only 13% people are there who disagree with it. Another one is: how much of your day to day activities would you be comfortable sharing with the IoT healthcare devices and service provider of such? Here also, we got quite positive responses as 51% people are ready to share their basic information, and 26% people are ready to share their intermediate amount of information, and 22 are already ready to give full access to such services. And one last one is: are you comfortable with how much data is being sent? And 83% of people are totally comfortable with the data being shared, and only 16% people disagree with it. At the end, I would like to discuss about the conclusion and future scope of the system I'm working on. The proposed method tries to improve the effectiveness of the system for patient care and monitoring in the terms of time, cost, and manpower utilization. The one obvious benefit is to monitor the patient 24/7, which is almost impossible with manpower. The proposed approach is generalized so far, and it is possible to customize it for more critical conditions like operation theater, intensive care unit patients, newborn babies, and more complex patients. In the future, we propose the use of more sensors to get more patient data for better and improved